Hello, welcome to your weekend forecast from the Met Office. Now, so far, September hasn't really seen much in the way of warmth. This weekend, though, does offer some slightly higher temperatures. And for many, Saturday will be a fine day. Sunny spells developing, but it will be quite windy in the west, especially so in the far northwest. And then Sunday, well, still warm for some of us, but there will be some rain edging in. Some uncertainty about that. More on that in just a moment. First of all, let's take a look at the big picture, the really big picture, because this weekend is dominated by low pressure to the west of the UK and a big area of high pressure to the east of the UK. Both big pressure systems having a real ding-dong scrap, and it's difficult to say exactly which one will win out. But as we're stuck right between the two, it does mean we'll draw up some southerly winds, and that is why this weekend will be a little bit warmer than it has been so far this month. Warmer does not necessarily mean the days are going to be full of sunshine, and there are weather fronts complicating things, one of which, sitting across the country on Friday evening, will bring cloud and rain. But that should tend to peter out as we go through the night, many places becoming dry, and it will be a relatively mild night with temperatures in towns and cities staying in the teens in some places. So it's a relatively cloudy but mild start to the weekend. Some places will start off with sunshine. Elsewhere, the cloud may take a time to break up, and there may just be one or two light showers drifting around. But I fancy for most it's dry. We'll see hazy sunshine developing after some maybe early mist, and in that sunshine, feeling pretty pleasant by the afternoon. Temperatures getting up to 20, maybe a little bit higher than that where we see some sunshine. Now, notice behind me there is a line of rain. That is a weather front, and that is the complication for the second half of the weekend. On Saturday evening, expected to bring some rain into parts of western Scotland and Northern Ireland, but there is some uncertainty about the position of that band of rain. And again, although it perhaps be a little cooler in the east, for most it's going to be a pretty mild night. Now let's take a look again at that big picture, because this sort of explains Sunday's forecast. There's the big area of low pressure trying to push in from the Atlantic, the big area of high pressure holding firm over Scandinavia, and we're stuck in the middle. And as well as being stuck in the middle, there's a weather front hanging around. And whether the high pressure pushes it further west or whether the low pressure pushes it further east, that is the big uncertainty. So we are expecting some rain from that weather front on Sunday, but it could be a little further east, it could be a little further west. Where the sun shines longest in the east on Sunday, well, it could be very pleasant indeed, 23 degrees Celsius. But if you're stuck under the rain, we'll be in the high teens. But as I said, there's a bit of uncertainty about the position of that weather front. So if you've got outdoor plans on Sunday, the message at the moment is stay tuned to the forecast, because things can shift around. But overall, bright and fine for many on Saturday, a bit of that wet weather around on Sunday. Download the Met Office app and you can keep an eye on the rainfall yourself.